I've brought the SMA eCharger with me today and will show you what you can expect to receive. The SMA eCharger comes in a handy cardboard box with pre-punched handles for easy carrying. At the top, you will find a cardboard box with 2 RFID charging cards, the documentation package, and the accessories required for installation. The 2 RFID charging cards can optionally be registered on the SMA eCharger during commissioning and used during operation to authorize charging processes. The documentation package consists of 3 parts. A poster with pictograms for installing and commissioning the charging station. A one-pager with the most important information for accessing the device, such as PIC, RIT and Wi-Fi access, serial number and device key for resetting the administrator account. This document should be kept in a safe place. And last but not least, the booklet with the security relevant information. The accessory pack consists of a total of 5 screws. 1 for mounting the cable clamp, 2 for connecting the SMA eCharger to the wall bracket, the lever out protection, and 2 more to fix the cover to the housing. 1 cable clamp as a bending aid and stain relief for the AC supply line, as well as a total of 4 terminal connectors for the digital inputs, the multifunctional relay and the RS485 interface. We continue in assembly sequence. The wall bracket is positioned at the top. It allows flexible installation with cable entry from above, below and behind. The device secured for transportation, the SMA eCharger, is well protected at the bottom. That's it for the scope of delivery. All information on mounting and electrical installation of the device can be found in the next video. If you need further assistance, check out more tech tips on our channel or comment your question below this video. Do you always want to see the latest tech tips on SMA products? Then subscribe to our channel.